If you build webinar funnels or VSLs in Go High Level, I have an amazing strategy for you that will help you get more prospects or leads from your webinars or your videos. All thanks to this feature called Video Progress Tracking in Go High Level, which enables you to trigger workflows or automations based on how much somebody has watched your video or webinar. So let's dive into my screen right here, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up in Go High Level. All right, so I'm in one of my funnels, and this is the page where I have the video where I want to enable this feature. So I'll just open this up in the editor. Now I'm going to select this video element right here, go to the right and scroll a bit down all the way where it says show progress bar. Now we want to disable this option, and the reason why is because some people might go back and forth and it might affect the accuracy of the thing that we're trying to set up. So we want to disable this real quick so that we can track this accurately. And then we have another option, which is redirect unregistered visitors. Now, before I enable it, I want to draw your attention to a scenario. Let's say you send this funnel link to somebody, and now you want, if somebody watches a minute of your webinar or your video, you want to send them an SMS saying like, hey, Mark, how did you find my webinar? Did you have any questions? Now, the problem with that is that you didn't have Mark's contact information in the first place, which could happen because if it's a new user that didn't exist before, or maybe you're running ads, you don't have any information on this person, you will need to get that. Now, what we want to do is we want to build another page, a blank page, where we actually have a form. And what we want to do is that we want to say, okay, please fill out this form to watch the remaining of the video. So we can do that. I've already built up a page that I can show you right now. So this is what my page looks like. You can easily create a blank page in your funnel and just host a form right there. And then once you come back right here, all you have to do is select the step where you want to redirect that person to. Please ensure that you build this page inside the same funnel, because you can see right here, if I go to this page right now, you will be able to see the page that I have built. So once we have selected that and I hit publish, I'll just quickly show you how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the page inside incognito window so we can see it from the perspective of somebody whose contact information we do not have. So let's say this is the person watching our video for the first time. We do not have any contact information about them. And once they click on this button right here, it will not play the video, but it will take them to that page. And once they fill out the information and click on watch video, we'll get their contact information, which is cool because now we will be able to send them SMS or emails through our workflows. And they're also able to watch the video now, which is pretty cool. All right, so just a quick recap. Step one, we had a page where we have a video or a webinar where we want to enable this option. We selected that. We disabled the progress bar to improve the accuracy. And then we enabled the redirect unregistered visitors. And then we created a blank page for them with the form, and we're redirecting the unregistered users to that point. Now, the last step is to build the automation. So let's dive into that. Okay, so we'll go to automations. I'm going to start from scratch here to show you from the start. And then we're going to add a new trigger, and under search, we are going to search for video tracking. So once I select that, we have to add in a few filters. So let's go through that. First filter is going to be, we have to select the funnel. So the funnel is going to be, we can actually select multiple of them, but this is the one that I had. And then we are going to add another filter, which is the video. So we have to select the video. And then here, I already have the video here. And then I will add the last filter, which is the video duration. We have a few operators here, so you can choose the one of your liking. I would actually do less than or equal to, and then here you can type in 10. Now, please bear in mind that this is the percentage, not the seconds, because you can see right here that this is a filter based on percentage. So you can do 10%, 25% based on what you like. And once you have done that, you can actually hit on save trigger right here. Then I'm going to add a tag right here. Maybe you can say lead follow up, or you can say lead follow up webinar. You can add a tag just to differentiate these people from the other ones in your account. Then I'm going to send them an email. So I just filled out some of these details. I'm just going to send like, hey, did you have any questions after watching my tutorial? Because I have a tutorial. You can of course say webinar or whatever video you have there. And then I'm going to hit save action, and then we are going to publish and save this workflow. All right, so finally it is testing time. As you saw earlier in my video that I already registered for it. So if I watch this video now up to 10% or less than that, and then I close this out, we should get that automated email that we already set up. So I'm just going to let it run through, and then we'll check that automated email if it arrives or not. All right, so I just closed this, and you can see that the email has already arrived, which is cool because I just closed out the video, just watched a few seconds, and the condition that I had was watch 10% or less. So it was definitely less than 10%, and as you can see in the execution logs that the automation has worked, and we saw the email as well. So this is pretty cool. This can actually help you recover a lot of people who watched the webinar. Maybe they got busy or distracted, and then you can follow up and get some more leads in through the door. All right, so that was all about this video. I hope you found some value, and thank you so much for watching.